私はダニエルです。千葉から来ました。静岡大学で勉強しました。
Takpiras belum Jepang.
Vai mi aski mem sampla questem blon Japan, lo PNG friend blon mi.
Konnichiwa. For me as a geologist, I am interested in the geology of Japan because Papua New Guinea and Japan is a similar setting, which is they are located along the Pacific Ring of Fire, so we have similar settings there. So in terms of technology, Japan is high-end technology, so I thought it would be good for me to study in Japan. Many things, like to name a few, food, especially ramen, and also the Shinkansen bullet train. I like bullet train, and also a very peaceful people. So this is what I like about Japan. Japanese is one of the most difficult language in the world. It has three types of writing system: katakana, hiragana, and kanji. Hiragana, katakana, a little bit okay, but kanji is very difficult for me to study. And also speaking. Also learning Japanese is different from speaking with the Japanese people. Japanese people try to speak casual, but you learn very professional Japanese, so it's hard to communicate what we learn to the Japanese people. It's kind of very challenging for me. Japan is a very good place to study. I think in terms of learning. Arigato gozaimashita.